One significant thing about Linux is that it's open source. Now, this is the main reason why we have so many versions of Linux, or the term distros or distributions. Now, if you want to use Linux, you might be asking yourself, what version or distribution should I be using? That's a good question. Because some might say you should be using Mint, some might say you should be using Arch, or you should just use Ubuntu, right? Now, in this video, I'll be introducing to you ParrotOS, a Debian-based distribution specifically made for privacy, security, and development. So what do we need to install ParrotOS? So there are two things that we need to install it: VirtualBox and the Parrot installation image. And don't forget that you should be having a good internet connection for faster downloads. Now, when installing ParrotOS, we should always make sure that we have VirtualBox. So how do we install VirtualBox? Go to your preferred browser, then type the following URL, then click download, click the Windows assuming you have Windows, then wait for it to finish. After downloading, click the file, click next, and next, and yes, click next. After the installation is done, just click finish. So now that we have a VirtualBox, we should now install ParrotOS. So how are we gonna install ParrotOS? We need the installation image, and this image is actually downloadable on their website. So go to your preferred browser again, type the following URL, click download, click the virtual, click home, then click AMD64. Click download, then click VirtualBox. Now after the download is finished, go to the file and click it. It should automatically open your VirtualBox. Click finish, agree. After importing, you should now see ParrotOS on your VirtualBox. Mine says its name is ParrotOS Home Edition 1. So that's what I'm gonna start. So click it, then press start. It should now boot up to ParrotOS. Press enter. And now we have ParrotOS. That was easy, simple, and basic.